We've been building Zocks for over a year, and over that time, we've learned a lot of the nuances about this journey from demo to production systems. The TLDR is it's very easy to build demos of AI, and it's really hard to get systems production ready. Here are the four things that we've learned going through this. The first is you need a very broad set of inputs to try on your system. For us, that's different voices, different lengths of conversations, different accents, speaking styles. The systems react very differently based on the number of inputs and how much the context window is used. So we've literally had to map out how much of the context window we use and what the accuracy coming out of the systems are based on that. And we essentially know exactly where to optimize. The second is you need a way to validate the output dynamically. These AI systems are essentially using statistics to make an educated guess. For this, you need to have a way to look at the output programmatically and rate its quality. Otherwise, you can't get the quality to the level you need for a production system. The third is building and tuning the end-to-end system as one. We look at the system as a set of stages and then tune the end-to-end result. Sending everything into an LLM and hoping it will come up with the correct answer doesn't work in production systems. A 90% success rate is great for a demo and frankly horrible for production. Instead, we've had to break everything into layers or steps and then tune each step based on the other ones. For us, this is how the transcription works, how the words are turned into numbers for all of our financial scenarios, how we then extract the data, and how we structure and format the data so that all the measurements are there and we can tune each stage based on the previous stage's outputs and the errors that we expect. The fourth is that system performance has to be managed all the way up through to the UI. The time to process the results for this can vary a lot and go way beyond what a user would normally expect from an interactive system. Because of this, they end up waiting at times, and the way that you set your UI in the system and allow them to retry things create UI paradigms that we just haven't seen before this. For anyone who's been putting these large AI models into production, we'd love to hear from you on the lessons you've learned and what's working and what isn't for you.